Hello and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to build a WhatsApp chatbot for travel agency booking. Just imagine you are getting hundreds of messages from your customer regarding the trip bookings, packages pricing, or the booking confirmations. Responding each customer manually is a time-consuming, also a very huge task. To solve this problem, we are going to automate this entire process by creating an automated WhatsApp chatbot. But before moving forward, now I'll give you a quick overview of how this bot will work in real time. For that, I am going to send one message to my WhatsApp business account of travel agency. Here I am sending my first message as hi. As soon as I send the message, immediately the bot will respond to me like this, that hi there, welcome to Travelese Tours. Please choose an option below to get started, while providing me two quick buttons, that is book a trip and our services. Here I want to book a trip, so I am clicking on this book a trip option. Then it will ask me to select the trip type while providing me one option in the form of list. When I click on it, it will provide me the types of trips, that is beach vacation, mountain trip, city tour and the international travel. Here I want to book a mountain trip, so I am selecting this. Then it will ask me to share the date that when I would like to travel, so I am sharing one date. Then it will ask me to share the destination that where I wish to explore, so I am sharing one destination also. After that, it will ask me for my full name, so I am sharing my full name as a test user. After that, it will ask me for my contact number, so I am sharing one test contact number. Then you can see I have received one customized message from my bot, which includes my name as a test user that I have shared, trip type that I have selected from the list as mountain trip, and the travel date. So if you also want to create this type of WhatsApp automated chatbot, then you have to follow step-by-step instructions that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. So here you are on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that helps you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. Now I'll give you a quick overview of Pabbly community. So this is right over here is Pabbly community, where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. If you face any issue while using the Pabbly, then you can share your questions here, and the people who are facing similar problem just like you, or even the Pabbly team members, will help you out. So if you also want to join this amazing community, then I'll provide the link of this community in the description box. You can check out. Now we will get back to the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Here on the right hand side, you can see two options are there. The one is sign in and another is sign up free option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits to explore the software. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. Since I am an existing user, so I am clicking on the sign in option. So these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users, as we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, and that will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So I am going in this Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking access now button. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can add and manage all of your WhatsApp number in one place, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining, and the WhatsApp number added. If you want to add a new WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then you have to click on this plus add WhatsApp number button. When you click on it, it will provide you two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want a detailed video of how you can connect your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description below. You can check out. And in this folder section, you can create multiple folders into your Pabbly Chatflow account by clicking on this plus option, where you have to provide the folder name in this field and also select the parent folder from here. And in this home section, you can see the status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. Here on the left hand side, you can see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow, that is inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, activity logs, settings, and get help. If you want to learn more about all of these features, then we have already created a separate video for it. Check the description below for the video link. Now, as we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going in this flows option. So this is the page where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Flow Builder. It creates and manages static chatbots seamlessly using a no-code, user-friendly drag and drop builder. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going to click on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of your flow, that is trigger. But before this, at first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. So here I am providing a name. Here I provided, that is build a WhatsApp chatbot for travel agency booking. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and actions. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the actions you can see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button. With the help of this button your flow will be active. If you don't enable this toggle, then your flow will become inactive and it will not work. And the another one is the save button. With the help of this button your flow will be saved and updated. Now let's get started. So for starting the creation of your flow, at first you have to select your trigger event. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of trigger events, that is keyword/regex, user starts conversation, template selected, WhatsApp template delivered, contact added to contact list, custom field updated, contact's birthday, it is coming soon, and tag assigned. I am creating this flow with the help of regex, so I am selecting this. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific feature or behavior into your chatbot. And another one is the keywords. Keywords are those manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. As I am creating this flow with the help of regex, so I am entering the regex in this enter regex box. Here I write, this is the default regex. With the help of this regex, whenever your user will send any message to your WhatsApp business account of travel agency, then automatically your bot gets triggered and reply to them. Now for writing the next respond message, I am going to take one text button, drag this box here, where I am going to write my welcome message in this enter message box. That is, hi there, welcome to Travelese Tours. Please choose an option below to get started. Now I am adding two quick buttons here. For that I am clicking on this plus add button. It will provide me one enter text box where I am going to write my first button as book a trip. Now I am adding one more button. Here I added, that is our services. Now I am connecting the starting point of my flow, that is this trigger, to this message by clicking on this circle, dragging a line and connecting this line to this circle. Now let's assume my users wants to book a trip, then they will click on this book a trip button, then my bot will reply to them. For that I am taking one list button, drag this box here. You can see this list box is divided in three parts, that is header, body and footer, where at first you have to write the header in this enter header box. Here I am not writing it, so I am leaving this blank. After that I am going to write the body of the message in this enter body box. Here I write, that is awesome, please select the type of trip you are planning. After that if you want to write any footer, then you can write in this enter footer box. Now I am going to add the list of types of trips. For that I am clicking on this H section button. It will provide me one box inside it where I am going to write the section title as trip types. After that I want to add the list of trip types, so I am clicking on this plus add items button 4 times. Here I am going to add only 4 types of trips, but you can add more. The process of adding items into your list would be the same. Here I added, that is beach vacation, mountain trip, city tour and the international travel. Now I am going to connect this circle which are present in front of book a trip to this message. Here it is connected. When my user will select the trip type, then my my bot will respond to them. But before that, I am going to do the setup of one custom field tag. For that, I am clicking on this actions option and take button as set custom field. Drag this box here where I am going to select the contact custom field as trip type. After that, in this enter value box, I am going to write this, that is beach vacation, because I set this contact custom field not specifically for this trip type. After that, I am connecting this circle to this message. Now I am going to explain you why we use this contact custom field node here and from where you can create this contact custom field. But before switching to the another tab, you have to save your flow. If you don't save your flow and switch to the another tab, then all the progress of your flow will be lost. For creating this contact custom field, you have to go in the settings option and go in this contact custom fields option. So this is the page where you can create multiple types of contact custom field for your different type of users. It is a user specific parameters for managing contact details like name, emails, tags, countries, etc. When you scroll down, here you can see one option is there, that is plus add more field. When you click on it, it will provide you one field name box where you have to write the field name here and also write the description in this field description box. As I already created one contact custom field by the name of trip type, so I am not creating more. Now we will get back to our flow. Here I setting this contact custom field not for this trip type. Now I am going to do the setup of 3 more contact custom field not for each of these trip types. Here I have done, you can see I use the same contact custom field, that is the trip type, but I only change the value. At the end, this will help my bot to provide customized message to my users completely based on their selected choice. Now, when my user will select the trip type, then my bot will ask them to share the date that when they would like to book the travel. For that, I am taking one ask a question button, drag this box here where I am going to write my question in this enter message box, that is when would you like to travel. For that, I am going to select the contact custom field as booking date. After that, the format I select as date, then the number of attempt. Number of attempt is defined as how many times your user will answer the question that you have written here. It also means that whenever your user will not provide the answer in the correct format, then you have to increase the number of attempt for them. But make sure that whenever you increase the number of attempt, you have to write the validation message in this enter message box. Here I am giving the number of attempt as 0, so there is no requirement of any validation message. Now I am connecting all these 4 circles to this message. Here it is connected. Now when my user will provide me the booking date, then my bot will ask them to share their specific interested destination, their full name and their contact number. For that, I am going to do the same thing that I have done here. That means I am adding 3 more questions. Here I added, you can see in this box, I ask my user to share the destination name that they wish to explore. For that, I have selected the contact custom field as destination name. After that, the format I select as text, then the number of attempt I'll provide as 0. Then in the next, I ask my user to share their full name. For that, I have selected the contact custom field as full name, then the format I select as text. And lastly, I ask my user to share their contact number. For that, I have selected the contact custom field as contact number and the format I select as number. After that, I write the minimum and maximum value in both of these boxes, that is the 10 times 1 and the 10 times 9. You can also use these default value for the number format. Now I am connecting all these questions boxes to each other. Connection plays major role. You have to make sure that each and every node will connect with each other. Now, when all these processes should done, then at last my bot will provide one customized message to my user, which includes their name, selected trip type, provided destination name and the contact number. For that, I am clicking on this messages option and take button as text button, drag this box here and writing my respond message in this enter message box. That is, your travel request is confirmed. Here are your details: name with dollar symbol, full name, contact number, trip type, destination name and the booking date. You can see I have used the dollar symbol before some places because with the help of this symbol, my bot will reply to my users dynamically. As whenever they share their full name here, then with the help of this contact custom field not full name, my bot will automatically capture my user's response and mention their name name in this place. So now I think you will better understand the main use of contact custom field. After that, I am connecting this circle to this message. Here it is connected. Now the next button is the Our Services. If my user will click on this Our Services, then my bot will provide them one message which includes all the services that I am providing to my user. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line and choose content type as text button. It will provide me one enter message box where I am going to write all the services. Here I write now our flow is completed. So basically this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot for your travel agency booking. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. If you face any issue on the creation of this flow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I also provide the link of this flow in the description box. You can check out. This automated WhatsApp chatbot will reply to your users in real time like this. Done the process of booking trips into your travel agencies without you doing any manual efforts, and it is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.